Love playing Uno? Then you'll love Do You Know? This fun card game introduces you to famous people with disabilities, inspiring books and films, cool facts, values, and so much more. In Barrier Begone, your mission is to match the right solutions to everyday barriers faced by people with disabilities. It's a fun way to learn how to break down obstacles and build inclusion. Say This Not That is a fast-paced card game that helps you pick respectful and positive words when talking to or about persons with disabilities. Quick, fun, and full of learning. Here is a fun memory game where you match headlines to articles about the amazing events and accomplishments of persons with disabilities. Stories you won't want to miss. Surprise, Surprise is a lively sorting game that helps bust long-held myths and uncover the real facts about the world of persons with disabilities. Get ready to challenge your assumptions. Inspired by the classic bingo, Inclusion Bingo is a fun way to learn the right words and recognize images related to disability issues. Match, learn, and win your way to awareness. Each card game comes with an instruction sheet. And the kit also includes an answer booklet to help you check your answers and discover more about every phrase and word in the card games. Because learning is better with extra insights.